Sonali buys two pen drives A and B, and their cost prices are in the ratio 5:6. Okay, fine. So there are A and B. So we'll have the cost prices to be 5x and 6x. This is simple. If she sells them on 10% profit each, so there's a 10% profit here, 10% profit here. That means 0.5x is 10% of this. 0.6x is 10% of this. She earns a total profit of rupees 22. That means this total is 22. Or I can say 1.1x is 22. Or we can say x is equal to 22 by 1.1, which is exactly 20. Super, done. What will be her total profit if she sells pen drive A on 20% loss and pen drive B on 30% profit? So A, 20% loss. That means 20% of 5x is 1x. So she will lose 1x here. 30% profit on B. 30% of 6x is 6 3s are 18, 1.8. So plus 1.8x she's going to gain here. She's going to lose this much, she's going to gain this much. So minus 1 plus 1.8 should be equal to 0.8x. This will be a total net profit. So what will be her total profit? Total profit is going to be 0.8x if she is going to sell this way. So we need to find the value of 0.8x. It's going to be easy. 0.8 into x, we just now found it to be 20. So 0.8 into 20 is 16. So her total profit should be 16. Option A, 16 rupees should be the right answer. Yeah, we are absolutely right. Option A, rupees 16 is the right answer.